Hello and welcome to the Virtual Manufacturing Technology Expo 2020. It's organized by Publish Industry India, who are the publishers of the leading industrial magazines in India. That's EM, Efficient Manufacturing, and A&D India, that's Automation and Digitization. So my name is Shekhar Jitkar. I'm the publisher and chief editor in Publish Industry India. The COVID-19 pandemic has affected the business across the globe there is very huge disruptions in the manufacturing operations and supply chains. So that's resulting in restrictions on travel and physical interactions, the limited workforce, the social distancing norms, and newer safety and security challenges to the new normal. However, the business is slowly picking up now, and all the operations are coming back on track. In fact, the manufacturing activities have been increasing since last 3 months. The manufacturers have stepped up the purchasing activity in line with increasing production needs. But as you can notice, to ensure the business continuity in the new normal, the businesses are shifting their processes to online platforms and adapting to the changed circumstances. Virtual Manufacturing Technology Expo is one of the important steps in this direction. It promises to provide all the opportunities for business networking, learning about latest manufacturing technology trends, enhancing knowledge and decision making with live product and technology demos in the show. The expo brings you the gamut of manufacturing industry from machine tools and cutting tools and coolants and lubricants to mechatronics, simulation, and of course the automation and digitalization. With this expo, the doors to the entire value chain have been open to visitors, where you will have multiple products to choose from fitting your application needs. The virtual expo does not just mean to bring you closer to the exhibitor, but also intends to update you with the latest products and technology solutions suitable to your application needs. So you don't have to move or travel anywhere. Just tune into the event from your preferred device, from your home or from your office. I would like to thank all the esteemed exhibitors of the expo: Blazer Swiss Lube, Imuse Franken, IFM Electronic, Juncker, Altair, Redline, Crozet, Link EZ, and EDS Technologies. I would also like to thank our media partners Daily CAD-CAM for their marketing support and our expo platform vendor Digital Agents Interactive. So enter the expo and have an immersive experience of visiting various booths, seeing live demos, and interacting with exhibitors virtually. I'm sure you will find the show interesting and useful. Please do write to us with your feedback and suggestions. Thanks for visiting the expo and best wishes to you. Thank you.